Hey, it's Stephen Smart from YVR. We are now less than 10 days away from kickoff of the first FIFA 2026 World Cup game that will be taking place at BC Place. And so we invited media and some of our airport partners into the terminal to talk about the years of preparation to get ready for the World Cup and to support the millions of travelers who will be coming through YVR over the next few weeks.
Our focus heading into the games has been twofold, really. First, as always, we run a safe, secure operation that's reliable and resilient for our passengers and our airline partners. And second, to recognise the role we play here at the airport, shaping the very first and last impression of Vancouver for millions of visitors, and to deliver a guest experience that lives up to that responsibility. During the games period, we expect to welcome 2.7 million passengers in total, roughly 88,000 passengers a day.
During the tournament, our focus is simple. We want travel to be smooth, reliable, and easy to understand. Whether you're a visitor arriving for your first match or a local flying out of YVR, transit will be the easiest and best way to move around the region. Metro Vancouver has a real advantage here. When people land at YVR, they're landing at an airport with rapid transit right outside the terminal. The Canada Line gives people direct, convenient connection from YVR to downtown in under 30 minutes.
For large and significant events like FIFA, the CBSA reviews our operations to prepare for increased traveler demands by shifting our resources. We at the CBSA are proud to work closely with our law enforcement partners and with the Vancouver Airport Authority to provide a positive travel experience while we work to keep Canadian borders safe and secure. Travelers should ensure they meet Canada's entry requirements before making travel plans. As tickets to FIFA matches do not guarantee entry into Canada, travelers can help speed up processing times by coming prepared with their travel documents, including passports, IDs, and Nexus cards.
Thanks to the work we've put in over the past few years, YVR was already well positioned to host games like FIFA 2026. So rather than build new infrastructure, we focused on innovations to improve the passenger experience. So we've invested in CT scanners in our security checkpoints, which means passengers no longer need to remove large items and liquids from their bags, and they can have a better, more fluid experience. We've also continued to invest in the biometric journey here at the airport, which is speeding up boarding, at the moment up by about 13% and rising. At the same time, we've been making sure YVR simply looks the best it can.
The airport sets a welcoming tone and signals that something bigger is happening across the city. As visitors leave YVR and make their way into Vancouver, that journey is connected and intentional, turning the travel itself into part of the experience. Together, we're ready to cheer on Team Canada. We're ready to show what is possible when a region comes together with a common purpose and really demonstrate what Vancouver has to offer.
In essence, we're ready, we're looking forward to it, and we're hoping everyone has a lot of fun.
For the latest information and tips and tricks for travelers, you can visit yvr.ca/kickoff.